Yeah.
Yeah, hello. We have come to the beginning of one new project, which is one of our usual substation projects here in Doha, in our core. And for the company, we normally, as our way of life, we provide all facilities that we normally require in our construction industry, in our construction works. And we always give paramount to all safety requirements and safety features and facilities that are needed in the workplace. Now today I will take you around in this project that we have today, and we normally provide all facilities that we normally will need. For instance, like the fire extinguishers. These are one of our safety features we normally use, and this equipment is our firefighting equipment. It is usually, we have a capacity here of at least kg, and every week it's inspected for make sure it is in good working order. And then again, I will take you around to other areas that's related to the works of our safety. This is our parking area, and normally it's expected that vehicles should park in a reverse order, because that is the safety requirement, that all vehicles must park in a reverse order.
दूर से ले ले safety jacket
And then we have here sufficient parking space for the consultant, for the main contractor, for the subcontractor, and the emergency parking areas. Now also, let's take a look at the site. So this is entirely a new project. We're just starting. We have also provided safety signages to enable us to provide more awareness for the workers on more information about the safety requirements and the safety procedures, like such as these. And also we have here, this is the steel yard. It's well sheltered with the steel cutting machine layout and the steel bending machine layout. And right here we have the excavated area. The project just begun, and this is just the onset about everything. Huh? Yeah. You go to the store. Quick, go.
Open.
Just go there. Run.
Okay,
so now, just go there. Now I will take you to our storage facility. Our storage facility is not so well in order. We're just in the process of putting things together. Come now, take you there. This is our toilet facility for the workers. It's usually inspected on daily basis to ensure there are no leakages, there are no leaking water, or make sure it's also in hygienic standard. Here we have our open laydown area for the wood and steel and other items that are temporarily kept. This is also barricaded and kept in one area to make sure it is well preserved in the open air. And here we have our store, which we normally keep all our tools, majority of the tools. So, it's a little bit dark in here, but notwithstanding, yes, it's a little dark in here, and then the store materials here is not so well in order, but some of the safety materials that we have here, we have the face shield for the welding of activity, we have the normal working tools, we have the spare fire extinguisher, and we have here getting one of these safety harness. Yeah, okay. We have a safety harness right here. We have the lanyards. We have the lanyard. You hold this for me. We have the lanyards, and we have the shock absorbers, and with the hooks. Inspections are usually made for this, to make sure it is in good use. We'll make sure the snap hooks are working properly. We'll make sure the anchorages and the belts and the connectors, make sure they are all good. And usually after inspections, color codes straps are made on it to indicate that it has been inspected and is fit for use. When the project comes to a point where workers must work at very high levels, as above 2 meters, often these safety belts are basic requirements for their use. You can put this. Let's take a look at the chemical room. Right now, there is no chemical room in subterfuge. What do we have here? Well, this is not entirely a chemical room. It's all mixed up. We have chemical phytorite, we have the cement, we have this convextra, we have the renderock GP, the chemical needed for cement work. And also we have some other items that are not really in use. This is just a temporary storage area, and I believe these chemicals will be remobilized to the actual chemical room. Right here we have the MSDS necessary. Yes, the MSDS
Material safety data sheet,
which is usually required for to give us basic knowledge about the chemicals we are using and all the hazards that are involved. This is contained in the MSDS. Here we have the convextra, which is this powdered bags, and then we have this liquid known as renderock GP. Okay. And then
okay, collect.
And then I have here two instruments, so basically used for temperature measuring and sound measuring instrument. Temperature measuring instrument is our fluke, and then this is a sound level meter, and it is basically used for that. So these are just a few tips about the facilities that we use for in the chemical industry. Okay, we can start.